Hi, excuse me. I'm looking for this book on English grammar.
Let me check. Yes, we have it. Do you want to borrow it?
Yes, please. I really need it for my exam next week.
No problem. Do you have a library card?
I think I left it at home.
That's okay. Can you tell me your student ID?
Yeah, it's 1183.
All right. Found you. You're already a member. You can keep the book for 7 days.
Can I renew it if I need more time?
Yes. Just come back before the due date or call us.
Thank you so much. You're very helpful.
You're welcome. And don't forget, no food or drinks in the library.
Haha, got it. Just books and silence.
Exactly. Happy studying.
Hello there. Is this taxi free?
Yes, miss. Where would you like to go?
To the London Eye, please. I've heard the view from the top is amazing.
Ah, first time in London?
Yes, I just visited Buckingham Palace and Big Ben. Now it's time for the London Eye.
Great choice. It's one of the best spots to see the whole city.
I can't wait. How long will it take to get there?
About 15 minutes if the traffic is kind to us.
Perfect. And do I need to buy a ticket in advance?
Not necessarily, but it's faster if you book online. Saves you from the long queue.
Thanks for the tip.
No problem. Would you like me to drop you near the ticket office or by the Riverside entrance?
Riverside, please. I want to take some photos first.
Good plan. The Thames looks beautiful today.
I'm already excited. London is even better than I imagined.
Glad to hear that. Let's get you to the London Eye then. Good evening. I have a reservation for tonight.
Good evening. May I have your booking reference, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Sure.
I'm sorry, but I can't find any reservation under this reference number.
Really? That's strange. I booked it online this morning.
Do you have a confirmation email or message?
Yes, I do. Let me show you.
Thank you. May I also have your last name, please?
Turner.
All right. Let me check again by name.
So, is it there now?
I'm really sorry, but there is still no booking showing in our system.
But the payment was successful. I already paid for 3 nights.
I understand. Please don't worry. We will sort this out.
Is there any room available right now?
Yes, we still have a few rooms available.
Can I get one at the same rate as my booking?
Of course. We will match the same price for you.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome. Please fill out this short check-in form and I'll prepare your room key.
Hi, are you the driver from the app?
Yes, you booked a cab to City Mall, right?
Exactly. How long will it take?
About 20 minutes. There's some traffic ahead.
No problem. Can I keep my bag in the back?
Of course. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Sure. Do you accept online payment?
Yes, UPI or card, both are fine.
Great. Let's go.
All right, sit back and relax.
Good afternoon. Is this the ticket and reservations desk?
Good afternoon. Yes, how may I help you?
I need to book a flight to Toronto today.
Certainly. Let me check today's flights.
Sure.
There is a direct flight at 6:15 p.m.
Is there a seat available in economy class?
Yes, seats are available.
Great. Please book 1 seat.
May I see your passport, please?
Here it is.
Thank you. Do you have any checked baggage?
Yes, 1 suitcase.
All right. How would you like to pay? Card or cash?
Card, please.
You can tap your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Your ticket is confirmed. Here is your boarding pass.
Which gate do I go to?
Gate B12. Boarding begins 45 minutes before departure.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm sorry, but my food is cold.
Oh, I apologize for that. Which dish did you order?
The grilled chicken with vegetables.
I see. Did it arrive cold, or did it get cold while you were eating?
It arrived cold. I tasted it as soon as it came.
I understand. Would you like us to heat it up, or prepare a fresh one?
I would prefer a fresh one, please.
Of course. We'll make a new dish for you right away.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome. It will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you.
And once again, we're very sorry for the inconvenience.
It's my first day. I'm kinda nervous.
Don't worry. It's the first day for everyone.
What's your name?
Meera. And yours?
Rahul, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Which course did you take?
BCom. You?
Same here. Looks like we're classmates.
Wow, now I feel much better.
Let's take a selfie. First day memory.
Yes. Smile, please.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning! You must be the new team member.
Yes, I just joined today. My name is David Carter.
Welcome, David. Which department are you joining?
I'm joining the marketing team.
That's great. Have you worked in marketing before?
Yes, I worked for 2 years in a digital agency.
Oh, that's useful experience. You'll fit in quickly here.
Thank you. I'm really excited to learn and contribute.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just a 20-minute walk from here.
That's perfect. No long commute.
Exactly. I'm looking forward to working with everyone.
We're happy to have you on the team. Welcome aboard.
Thanks so much.
Hello, is this room service?
Yes, good evening. How can I help you?
I'd like to order dinner to my room, please.
Certainly. May I have your room number?
Room 412.
Thank you. What would you like to order?
What's available tonight?
We have grilled salmon, pasta, chicken curry, and vegetable soup.
I'll have the pasta with garlic bread, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, a bottle of sparkling water.
All right. Anything else?
No, that's all. How long will it take?
Around 25 minutes.
Perfect. Please charge it to my room.
Of course. Your order will arrive shortly.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me, sir. May I talk to you for a moment?
Of course. What's the matter?
Actually, I didn't understand today's lesson.
That's okay. Which part did you find difficult?
The last topic, about tenses.
All right, I can explain it again.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. Never be afraid to ask.
I want to improve my English.
And you will. Just keep practicing.
Sometimes I feel nervous while speaking.
That's normal. Confidence comes slowly.
I'll try my best, sir.
I believe in you. Don't give up. Hi, excuse me, where is seat 12A?
Just go straight and then to your left. It's the second window seat.
Thanks. This is actually my first flight.
Oh, really? That's exciting. No need to worry.
I am a little nervous, though. What if it shakes too much?
It's totally normal. Just fasten your seatbelt and relax.
You all look so calm. Do you never get scared?
Smiles. We just keep smiling. It works like magic.
Haha, okay, I'll try that.
Good. Your journey will be smooth. Enjoy the view.
Window seat, first flight, and a cool air hostess. Not bad.
Welcome on board,
Hi,
sir.
I need some medicine for a headache.
Sure. Do you want tablets or syrup?
Tablets, please. Something mild.
Okay, here's paracetamol. Take one after food.
Thanks. Do you also have a thermometer?
Yes, digital or mercury.
Digital is better, I think.
Here you go. Anything else?
Maybe a hand sanitizer?
Yes, we have small and large bottles. Which one?
Small one, please. Easy to carry.
All right, that's 90 rupees in total.
Here's the money. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care and stay safe.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Would you like to see the menu?
No, thank you. I just want a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like it black or with milk?
With milk, please.
All right. Do you prefer hot or iced?
Hot, please. Could you make it a cappuccino?
Of course. Would you like sugar or sweetener?
Just 1 spoon of sugar, please.
Would you like anything to eat with your coffee?
No, just the coffee for now.
No problem. Would you like it here or to take away?
I'll have it here.
All right. That will be $4.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please take a seat. We'll bring it to your table shortly.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Your coffee will be ready soon.
Excuse me. Sorry to bother you.
No problem. How can I help?
My phone battery just died. Do you have a charger?
What kind of phone do you have?
An iPhone.
I think I have one. Let me check my bag.
Thank you. That would be great.
Here it is. You can use it for a few minutes.
Thanks a lot. I just need to send one quick message.
No worries. You can plug it in over there.
Perfect. I really appreciate your help.
It's okay. I've been in that situation many times.
Yeah, it always happens when you need your phone the most.
True. Just make sure to charge it fully next time.
I will. Thanks again for saving me.
Anytime.
Hi, is this juice fresh?
Yes, very fresh and tasty.
What juice is this?
It's orange juice, full of vitamins.
Will it give me energy?
Yes, you will feel strong and happy.
Great. Give me one glass, please.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Wow, it's really good.
I told you. Want one more?
No thanks, or I will fly like a rocket.
Come back tomorrow, Juice Hero.
Hi, I want 2 tickets for today's show.
Sure. Which movie would you like to watch?
Superstar Returns. What time is it?
It starts at 6:30 p.m.
Perfect. Are good seats available?
Yes, middle row is free.
Great, I'll take 2.
Okay, that will be 400 rupees.
Here you go. Do I need to show ID?
No, just enjoy the movie.
Thanks. Is popcorn allowed inside?
Yes, but don't drop it.
Haha, I'll try my best. Bye.
Enjoy the show.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you have a moment?
Yes, of course. What is it?
I wanted to ask if you could arrange an extra class for us this week.
An extra class. For which subject?
For English grammar, please. Some of us still find tenses confusing.
I see. That's a good idea. When are you all free?
We're free on Friday afternoon.
All right. I'll check the schedule and confirm it tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am. That would really help us prepare for the test.
You're welcome. I appreciate that you're taking your studies seriously.
We just want to make sure we understand everything.
That's the right attitude. I'll let you know about the extra class soon.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome. Keep up the good work.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you have a moment?
Yes, of course. What is it?
I wanted to ask if you could arrange an extra class for us this week.
An extra class. For which subject?
For English grammar, please. Some of us still find tenses confusing.
I see. That's a good idea. When are you all free?
We're free on Friday afternoon.
All right. I'll check the schedule and confirm it tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am. That would really help us prepare for the test.
You're welcome. I appreciate that you're taking your studies seriously.
We just want to make sure we understand everything.
That's the right attitude. I'll let you know about the extra class soon.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome. Keep up the good work.
Excuse me, is this the English coaching class?
Yes, you're at the right place. Is this your first day?
Yeah, I just joined today. Honestly, I'm feeling a little nervous.
Don't worry. Everyone feels that way on the first day. The teachers here are really nice.
That's a relief. I really want to improve my English. I was scared I wouldn't understand anything.
Just relax and speak whatever you can. The best way to learn is by trying.
Thanks a lot. By the way, what's your name?
I'm Ria. And you?
I'm Aman. Nice to meet you. Hello. Thank you for calling Pizza Box. How can I help you?
Hi. I'd like to order a pizza, please.
Sure, ma'am. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
All right. Which pizza would you like?
Do you have margarita?
Yes, we do. Would you like extra cheese with that?
Yes, please. Extra cheese sounds good.
Great. Anything else?
Yes, 1 Coke also.
Noted. Can I have your address?
Yeah, it's D34, Greenview Apartments, near City Coaching Center.
Got it. Your total is $299. It'll be delivered in 30 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your pizza.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm a bit nervous, to be honest.
That's all right. Everyone feels that way before an interview.
Thank you. This is actually my first job interview.
No problem. Just relax and be yourself. Tell me a little about your background.
I recently graduated with a degree in business administration.
That's great. Why do you want to work with our company?
Because I admire the way your company supports young professionals and values teamwork.
That's nice to hear. What are your strengths?
I'm hardworking, organized, and eager to learn.
Excellent. We'll contact you soon after reviewing all applications.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Hello.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name is Aman. What's your name?
My name is Ria.
Nice to meet you, Ria.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi. And you?
I'm from Lucknow.
Are you a student here?
Yes, I study English.
Oh, great. I just joined today.
Welcome. Don't worry, the classes are fun.
That's good to hear.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I do, but I'm a little nervous.
It's okay. Just practice every day.
Thank you, Aman.
You're welcome. Let's sit together in class.
Good morning, ma'am. Do you have a minute?
Yes, come in. What is it?
I wanted to ask for a short leave next week.
All right. For how many days?
Just 2 days. Thursday and Friday.
Okay. Is there any particular reason?
Yes, I have to attend a family function out of town.
I see. Have you completed your current tasks?
Almost. I'll finish everything by Wednesday and hand over the pending work to Sam.
Good. I appreciate that. Please send me a formal leave request by email.
Sure, I'll do that right away.
No problem. Your leave should be fine.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Have a good trip and be back on Monday. Emergency services, how can I help you?
Hello, there's been a car accident near the Central Bridge.
Is anyone injured?
Yes, 2 people look hurt. One of them isn't moving.
Okay, please stay calm. Are you in a safe place right now?
Yes, I'm standing on the sidewalk.
Good. Can you tell me exactly what happened?
A car hit a motorcycle. The road is blocked.
All right. Please don't try to move the injured people. Help is on the way.
Okay. Should I turn on my phone's flashlight so they can see us?
Yes, that's a good idea. Keep it visible until the ambulance arrives.
How long will it take?
The nearest ambulance will reach you in about 5 minutes.
Thank you. I'll stay here and guide them when they arrive.
You're doing the right thing. Please stay on the line if you need anything else.